Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Over the past couple weeks, we've been talking a lot about two-digit addition. This week, we're shifting gears to talk about two-digit subtraction. We use the same two basic strategies for subtraction as we do with addition, our vertical subtraction and our place value picture chart. However, there are some differences in how we use these strategies in subtraction. Let's start with vertical subtraction. Our equation is 34 minus 11. Now, when we subtract, what we are really doing is taking a part away from a whole. So we need to make sure we put the whole on top in vertical subtraction, because that's what we're taking away from. The whole is usually the bigger number or the number that comes first. What do you think the whole is in 34 take away 11? Yep, the whole is 34. You can take 11 out of 34, but you can't take 34 out of 11. Let's set this up. So I know my whole is 34 and that has to go on top. 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. And I'm taking 11 out of 34, which means I'm taking away 1 10 and 1 1. All set. Now let's talk about our picture chart. You may have noticed that I only have one number pictured here instead of two. This is because, like I was saying earlier, in addition, you're combining two parts, but in subtraction, you're breaking apart a whole. So in our subtraction picture chart, we are only showing our whole, 34, 3 tens and 4 ones. And I'm going to take 11 away from that 34. Are you ready to solve? Great. So we're going to start with our one side in subtraction. Like with addition, we start with our ones. I have 4 ones in 34, and I'm taking away 1 1. So let's go to our ones. I have 4 ones. I'm taking away 1. Okay. How many ones do I have left? I have 3. I have 3 ones left. Now let's look at our tens. I have 3 tens. I'm taking away 1 10. So 3 tens. I'm taking away 1. How many tens do I have left? I have 2 tens left. So I took away a 1 and I have 3 ones left. I took away a 10 and I have 2 tens left. I have 2 tens and 3 ones left. What does 34 take away 11? That's right. 34 take away 11 is 23. So when I take 11 away from 34, I have 23. You guys did really well, and we're going to keep practicing using these strategies to do subtraction. Our challenge problem for today is 27, take away 15, and we'll go over that tomorrow. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good work. Keep going on Zern, and we will talk more about this next time. Have a nice day.